So we just got here to Venice during Carnivale, and as you can see, there are a ton of people. Now, Venice is usually already busy on a regular basis, no matter what time of the year it is, but Carnivale is a whole different story because as you can see, there are a ton of people. And if we can make it through the crowds, we'd like to show you a lot more about it. Okay, first up on our tour of the Venetian food here, we're gonna have the frittelle. These are donuts that are pretty large in size and they're stuffed with things like Nutella or pistachio or tiramisu. So I have the pistachio and I'm gonna go ahead and try that. It's kind of like a very sweet croissant. Not as flaky, but the filling is amazing.
So here I have the more traditional style, the Venetian, which this one is filled with raisins inside. Let's see. The texture of the dough is very soft, very cloudy. So these originated because you need to cook a lot of food really fast, and this is also a very sanitary way of cooking. I just need to go get some coffee now.
Okay, so we just came from another bakery and we're just gonna go ahead and try some more of these. They're delicious and I definitely recommend anytime you walk past one of these bakeries to go in and see if you can get one. These ones are quite a bit bigger and heavier and they're actually a little bit more expensive. They're about €3 each. And I don't actually know what's inside, so I'm gonna go ahead and check that out right now. This is just a regular type of cream.
So just like vanilla?
Basically, yeah. It has a sort of a lemony taste to it as well, and I think they kind of add that to all of their creams, but it's really delicious either way.
Oh, wow, these are heavy. I feel like today we're gonna eat our own weight in frittelle, but I'm not complaining. I got the chocolate one. Wow. It's very rich. It's definitely not like the sweetness of Nutella. This tastes like homemade chocolate.
Okay, so if you thought we're just here to eat cakes and donuts, we kind of are, but in between those, we're gonna try this. This is pizza from Venice. And it's ready-made, they just gotta heat it up, but it's pretty much ready to eat, so let's check it out. Oh yeah, it's pretty good.
Next up, we have McDonald's.
Yeah, we're not doing McDonald's.
So we're now in the San Marco Piazza and it is packed. I don't think last time we were here in 2020, it was this crazy. It seems like from the past 2 years, everybody just kind of gathered here because they're just very excited to kind of see the carnival back in action. But let's go find some cool costumes.
If large crowds are not your thing, this festival is probably going to be a no-go for you. There are tens of thousands of people just in this square alone, so I can't imagine how much more there are just down every tiny little street. Okay, after all of that walking, we definitely needed to sit down and get something real to eat. I mean, the street food and stuff is great, but every once in a while you actually need to go to a real restaurant.
Never too early for wine. There's no such thing, but you know, when in Venice.
Well, that's about all the time we have here today. We hope you enjoyed the video. There's still a lot more to see and do in Venice during Carnivale, but if we try to record everything, we'd need another 10 hours. So that's about it that we have for today.
Definitely wear comfortable shoes when walking around. I think today alone we did about 15,000 steps and we just kind of scratched the surface of Venice. You can easily spend hours and hours wandering the little canals and the streets here. We still haven't gone the gondola ride. We still haven't done so many little cicchetti places. So definitely stay tuned for future videos because we have a lot of Venice to show you guys.